Lesson 48 Metaphor. A number of words in English are used metaphorically with a meaning that is not exactly the same as their literal meaning. Usually they apply a quality of one word to another word. For example, when we say that something is lightning fast, we are using the word quality of lightning, which is almost instantaneous, to describe something that is extremely fast. Another example is the problem. The literal meaning of the word rot is the part of a plant or tree that is under its soil. The roots are what support and sustain the entire tree. Therefore, the root of the problem is the deep past, most basic or fundamental reason for the problem. Many metaphors are related to elements in the nature world, such as light and dark, water, fire, and plants. In this lesson, you will learn 5 collocations in each category. Light and dark. If someone's face or eyes light up, it means that they certainly get very happy or excited. You can also say someone's eyes are shining with delight. The expression lighten the mood means to make a distressing almost fear. Situation more relaxed and happy. On the other hand, if someone's face eyes expression darkens, it means that they certainly appear sad or angry. Dark days or dark times refer to periods of time that are bad or unpleasant, full of problems. Water. You can say that ideas are flowing or conversation is flowing to describe when it is proceeding easily and naturally. Water metaphors are often used to describe the movement of groups of people. You can say that people browse, poured or streamed into the stadium to describe continued movement of large group of people, or that people strictly into the church when only a few people come occasionally. The expressions with disappointment or with sadness refer to strong feelings. Fire. A heated discussion or heated debate is one that is very intense, often with negative emotion like anger. If someone had a fairly temper, it means that when they get angry, they get very angry and could possibly explode. Thus, there's also the expression tempers flares to describe a situation when people begin to get angry. The verb kindly, kinder, or speak describe the actor starting fairs. Kinder is usually used for starting positive things. Something can kindle interest or enthusiasm, hope. And spark is usually used for starting negative things. Something can spark outrage or controversy. Planters. It's difficult for a plant to grow in soil that has lots of rocks. So if something gets to a rocky start, it means that it's encountered many problems in the beginning. Thorns are the small sharp growth that appears on some plants, such as roses. The expression of thorny issue describes a matter that is difficult, complicated, and possibly dangerous. The word blossom is easy to used to describe when a flower appears and opens, revealing all its beauty. So if the romance of friendship is blossoming, then it's developing in a beautiful way. If your effects begin to produce the desired result, we can say your efforts are bearing fruit. A seed represents something very small that can grow into something big. So if some even plants seed or hope or scissor zealously, it means it produces a small feeling that can grow into a stronger emotion over time. Thank you for listening.